Train is deporting at train to Stephen Victoria is from here.
I'm just going to my house. Wait.
Now let's go
Get
to
out my car.
platform 5.
What are you doing? Where's the run? Okay, she says for you to teleport.
For me to teleport?
Yeah, for you to teleport. I don't know what she's doing. It's like, it's kind of like a roller coaster, but instead it's like made of board. I don't know. It's so weird.
How does that?
I don't know.
There's no roller coasters here.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a roller coaster if you look at like that.
This is so weird. Sorry, my brother's making weird noises.
Yes,
just
he
to
is.
make
I
people-
hear. Very
I knew it.
weird, I don't think. Maybe my idea was a little bit not complicated.
Oops.
But okay.
How's it located?
I'll see you in another episode.
Complicated
Bye.
because, like,